to Politics Watch. This is Sir B. Now, today, I'm going to do another video, right, where I'm just reasoning the people, just like yesterday. Right. See, I love these type of videos. I love these type of videos because only the PIA members then tune in. Only people who love, reasonable and sensible conversations tune in. Them not have no only for fuss and, them not go viral good. Sometimes you need a smaller crowd where you can get your point across. What me I talk about today? Today I'm going to share a video, or the type of video, right, that I normally drop on Patreon. But of course it's going to be a more scaled down version because I can't say certain things, which is why I carry it to Patreon. I can't show certain things over there, so that's where the real big people talking go on. If you want to join, the link is in the description, or you can just Google Patreon Politics Watch, the easiest thing in the world to find. Right. But I'm giving you a taste of what we talk about in the Patreon squad. See the picture up on your screen? The man, right? The woman, rest her head on him shoulder. It say a lot, right? Picture say 1,000 words. I'm talking to the Jamaican man them. There's a difference between being a man a yard and being a man in a yard. Let me say that again. There's a difference between being a man a yard and being a man in a yard. I understand that enough Jamaican youths not growing a father, enough youths not growing a positive male role model, enough youths, right, them have to learn certain things. After them grow up, them learn it on the corner, them learn it in a show, them learn it in a songs. Right. I could talk now. Enough man want to be treated like a king. Enough man want royal treatment. Well, I have news for you. The only men who get those type of treatment are men who put in the work. But before we go any further, full photo credit to Lexan Art on Instagram, right? I think his name is Adrian McDonald. You can check him out on Instagram. The thumbnail, I know people have asked me where I get that from. Because enough time I find some thumbnail, people are like, Sir, where you find a picture that nice? You can check it out on Instagram, right? Lexan Art. Right. Now, check this out. Somebody, somewhere down the line, has led the youths them astray and tell them say, because them have 2 seed bag, that automatically means say women are just going to fall in line and be submissive and respect them as a leader. That is not true. That is not the case and will never be the case. There is nowhere in history this has ever been seen. The reason why some men don't get the outcomes they desire and the treatment they desire is because, quite simply to sum it up, your woman don't respect you. And as a leader and as a man. You see, you might say, oh, so that means she's disrespectful. I could clarify that. Disrespectful. Yes, there's some woman who disrespectful and rude and vulgar, we know that. I know sir, couldn't them type of woman the only things me get up and I make a video about. Right? I'm talking about a woman who is not inherently a certain way. But you might have heard say this man get the treatment here and this man get the treatment here, but you not get it. Men, you have to listen, understand. Jamaican men, listen, understand. Build it and they will come. Build it and they will come. Even though the modern day woke activists tell us say, right, everything is now equal and everything is 50-50. I am telling you that a man should be the head of the household. Right? Woke activists hit the dislike button. Right? Let me repeat it. I'm telling you right now that a man should be the head of the household. Men should be leaders in their homes and their communities. That no means say your word is the be all end all and no woman can't ever give any kind of can't answer back, can't that's not what being a leader is about. See, it's because people don't understand the meaning of words. Being a leader in your house no means say no woman can if you say something wrong, woman can't correct you or point out, say, no, that's not what being a leader means. That's not what being head of the household means. Right? But before a man can become the head of the household, he must prove himself to be a leader. You have to. There is nowhere in human history, there's nowhere in nature itself where a male does automatically, any male does automatically become the leader of anything. Whether it want to be the lions on the savannah, whether it want to be the chimps, whether it want to be tigers in the jungle, there are some men, some males in the species who demonstrate that they are leaders, right? That they are capable of guiding the group, right? Taking control and showing, alright, this is the direction we're going to go and it's the right direction. And those males get better treatment than the other males who just wander around and hope that the alpha male drop out so them can finally get something. This is nature, I'm sorry, it's never going to change. This is why I tell the man himself, you have to work on yourself, you have to improve on yourself. Stop spending the best years of your life when you're healthy and young and run up and down back a skirt tail. That's where you should be building, that's where you should be working. When you left school, your 20s right through, that's your foundation. Too much man spend those years of them life and run up and down back a skirt tail, right? Trying to build a football team out of Pitney. Right? And then when the burden, when the expenses, when the mental pressure drop on them and them feel like 500 pounds on them back, them say life wicked and why life and fear and come on, me I try saving from the rope because enough man end up can't manage and turn to the rope. People not talk about that. Enough man are under some serious mental problems, they not talk about it. Right, but men are going through some serious mental issues too. So if you want to be the leader in your home, if you want your woman to give you the respect where you look over and I see other man again, because that's the thing, enough man I look over in other man in the yard and I say, how come female woman, how come she now challenge him on every issue, how come female woman, so how come she submissive to him, because you don't know the kind of work that man put in. That man has demonstrated that he can be trusted as a leader. Once a woman trusts you as a leader, she will fall in line. I'm being honest with you. I've seen the most dominant females transform into submissive, right? Dainty, always smiling wives. I can't believe it. I'm like, she? Well, she not take talk from the man. Guess what? Finally find the man a yard. She find the man a yard. Men have to prove themselves. I'm sorry. Jamaican man, them, somebody have to tell them that you have to prove yourself. Being born a male doesn't automatically guarantee you any respect. Right? It doesn't automatically guarantee you say that nobody are gonna make you a leader or nothing. It doesn't automatically mean say a pit them are gonna rate you. It automatically means say a woman are gonna rate. You have to prove yourself. Men who are proven get better results. I'm sorry. In an ideal world, you could have just born and just mope around all day and get the same. It won't work. If you want women to submit, you have to show them something to submit to. Men say, oh, every man, right? If you ask a man, him tell us, want a woman who is attracted to, and she's submissive, and she if him say him hungry, she go cook him food and all them things. That's a man, he tell you that, right? Enough man don't want to make them talk because nowadays that talk is considered, well, even now them a try say that acidic, right? A man say things, say boy, say, we love the fact that my woman can cook my favorite meal. Then people take it to the extreme. Oh, so we are trying to say woman only belong to the kitchen. The usual strawman argument. But men, you have to prove yourself. You have to show. Why? Why should a woman accept you as the head of the household? Why should a woman accept you as the man of yard? You can live enough man live with woman in a house and they are not accepted as man of yard, and some don't even know that. Because you see, when you are accepted as man of yard, when you're accepted as a leader, when you're accepted as the head of the household, you get different treatment. You don't get the bag of rah, 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 because that's not how you treat a leader. You might say, actually, every now and then, of course, you can point out, say, well, this is wrong, and you can even correct a leader, but the constant rah rah rah, that's because she doesn't see you as a top dog. She doesn't see you as an alpha male. She doesn't trust your leadership. So when they say, all right, honey, we're going to do this, and we're going to move this over here, so. If she respects you as a leader, she knows that you not going to do nothing foolishness. We're going to jeopardize the people them future and for your future. So she knows, say, all right, that we can't really see it now, right? But I trust your leadership. So make we work with it. That's when you know you're a man of yard. Too many men have it for say. Having 50 baby mother, right? That is how they prove. That's how them show say, yeah, I'm a real man. You wanna know you wanna know the definition of a real man? When his family, not just him immediate family, but even the community. When him say, alright, I think this is the direction we should go, and people just, alright, make a work with it. That's an alpha male. They are the only ones who can get that. Men who not put in the work, men who are seen as unreliable, they don't get that kind of respect. This is why some man, them can carry them on a piece of land and the land empty. Let me give an example. I saw a post the other day. Somebody sent me a post the other day with Agent Sasko, right? Agent Sasko wife. And she posted something. Right? And in the post, I guess she was saying that it's like a post, like they might dig some land or something, but she's saying that they never, Sasko just show her the vision. And she wasn't sure, but she worked with it. Let me tell you something, Jamaica. That right there, that's when you know you're a man of yard. That's when you know you are a leader. Right. When a woman can say, well, me can't see it, you know, they're in front of me now, but I trust your vision and I trust your leadership to make it happen. That right there, right, is a sign for man being accepted as a leader. It have nothing to do with having $500 million in the bank. Right? When we say put in the work and you have to have something to submit to, I'm not saying you need, right, a 15-story house and 30 cars in the garage. That is not the point. That's not the point. However, when it comes down to man and woman affairs, nothing will change throughout the pages of time. A woman is only drawn, right? A feminine woman is only drawn to a man, right, that is either established already or is on his way to being established. She can say, alright, him not have it now, but the ambition and the drive what him have means that one day he might get there. Throughout history, those are the only two men, right, who have ever truly won. Ever. Whether you like it or not, a man is judged based on his ability, right? Figure out, get it, and bring it back. I'm sorry, I don't know which world you want to live in, where you can just sit down and cock up your foot all day and do nothing. And women are just going to fall in line and be submissive and do everything when you say. Let me tell you something. I talk to the man, I talk to the youth, them, especially the young youth. Them. Coming on, you know, foolishness, right, from people who, to be honest, are just because them know have fame, them start get woman. So them don't know about woman thing. And when them bust, them start get woman. Let me tell you how this thing work. You can be the biggest eyeglass, the biggest scruff, right? But if a woman find you physically, right, attractive, she can get drawn to you at the start. That is true. You can have $0 in your pocket and you can get a woman. She will see and like you. Just based on the way you look or maybe the way you swagger or your rep or your cloth, whatever. But let me tell you something right now. That we are fast. Because you see, the more she realize that you're not doing nothing, right, and you're content in your struggle, and the more she dip in her pocket and the more she dip in her pocket, what start to happen is that the moisture, right, the moisture, you know, the thing where woman are between her foot, the moisture in that start to evaporate. And it start to look like the Sahara Desert. And the more time pass, is the less attraction she get. Until one day, the woman who you did a brag about, who you never did have to have nothing to forget, she got caught down. I'm just being real with you. That wear off fast. Because you know why? It simply isn't natural. If you're a woman, playing the role of a protector and provider for your man, it simply isn't natural. So at first when she all in her feelings and you might give her a style way, make her brain gone to the clouds. And, at first she say, yeah, see some money, see some, you can drive my car, do this, stay in my house, eat out the whole of the food out of the fridge. That at first, yeah man, that can go on, but I tell you so that will wear off. And the next thing you know, everything you do is a problem. If you even wake up and yawn, every day you come in here, every day you yawn. If your head hurt you, every day your head hurt you. If you put on the toilet seat and it drop too low, every day you come in here and drop the toilet seat, everything is a problem. You know why? Because you don't have that manner yard clout. You don't have that respect clout. Everything you do by the eye. A man don't have to be a billionaire, a man don't have to be a trillionaire, but a man have to work. A man have to put in the work. A man have to play a role as provider for his family. That is never going to change. Too much man a complain. Man a link men a complain about things where should be standard. Can do certain videos and certain people misinterpret me and try to say, yeah man, true your talk because Shifty, hold on, where are you complaining about having to provide for your picnic them? But under your roof, where you ask it to me? Masculine men don't complain about having to provide for them family. That's a given. That's SOP, standard operating procedure. We have to do better than this. Jamaican men have to step up. Because let me tell you something right now. You see, if the respect was there in the first place, no for the thing them a man go through, you wouldn't go through it. Right. Look around, right, and check out even other groups of men who come to Jamaica from different cultures. They have a complete different culture. We don't notice enough of things them Jamaican man them complain about. We don't even see them thing that go on. We don't see a wholesale, a Chinese wholesale. I want to see Mr. Chin and Miss Chin. Do you see any eternal power struggle like one? Do you see any, there's no tussle in who there is a family here. Mr. Chin in charge of this, Miss Chin in charge of this, and then the people them come to this. You don't see the power struggle. Yes, Simple Simon, there's going to be a few exceptions, but generally you don't see the same power struggle. You don't see hundreds and thousands of Chinamen they're on social media saying, why won't these women fall in line? Why won't these women do as I say? Why won't these Chinese women submit? You don't see that, because them not deal with it. It's a different culture. Right? People know what I go on. Right? That's because in that culture, the woman them know say, or the man them know say, them have to be a worker, them have to build. Them have to create something, them have to build the nest for Miss Chin and the pitting them come live in it and settle. Otherwise, they won't get the clout. You see, no Jamaican man have it wrong, Jamaican man, so we are the biggest girlist in the world. Let me tell you something right now, youth. Mr. Chin can be a bigger girlist than you, but him no want big girlist. If Mr. Chin want a woman, I'm talk to Jamaican man, because I realize enough man leading astray, If Mr. Chin and Mr. Singh, right, and Mr. Akbar, whoever, if them man they want come to Jamaica and turn girl, them take the whole on the woman. Be grateful, Mr. Chin no want your woman. Be grateful, Mr. Singh no want your woman. Right. You know just about that? You can talk about how much style you have, and when you put one foot over here so, and you put the next foot over here so, and then you ride your champion jockey ride 15 furlong. If Mr. Chin want your woman, chances are she gone, bro. Because in the end, women will revert to safety and security. Even if them flare up in the early part of them life when time them hot and everybody, they will eventually revert back to their natural state. Who is going to feed these children? No. I'm sorry. So this whole gallus culture where Jamaican men supposedly are the biggest gallus them in the world. We don't believe you. Right? Enough of the reason, right? Enough of the reason why enough man have them woman now is because certain man don't want her. I'm just being honest. Right? The man them who not put in the work, right? The man them who think say things are good as far to them, man who think say, oh, get up every day and just ball about how comes in this and how comes in that. Dog, a man know say, a masculine man know say, nothing in this world is given to him. He must work feet, he must build it. Masculine men know that. Only feminine men sit down and ball about because them grow up and hear, right? So them grow up around so much estrogen. And then go to hear them mother up on the phone every day, them father, how comes in and do this? How comes in and do that? How comes in and do this? How comes in and do that? So enough man get up and grow up, come to the same way, spend them whole life. How comes in and get this? How comes in and get that? How comes in and get this? Dog, grow up. Grow up, bro. A man knows say he must help himself eventually. Even if somebody help you for a little while, after a while people get tired of you and man say, you know what? You have 2 seed bags in your foot, go do something with them, right? Activate them and get some use. People tell you that. Right? Testosterone and flow to your body. Right? It's supposed to give you a drive. Right? It's supposed to be something to push you. The man is supposed to need nobody if you push them every day. Right? Man sit down in a house, free as a bird, him not a criminal, him not wanted, him in a jailhouse, free as a bird, and just want to sit down and ball and think say, woman go sit down in a house and hear you every day. Right? See you not do nothing, see you not attempt to better yourself and just go fall in line and be submissive. And when time them don't get the submission from the woman, at them time they know them turn in a Jackie Chan and them man start fling pump and fling kick because them thinks alright now me can batter bruise her in a submission. It don't work so dog. The man them will get submission don't fling a single thump. The alpha male them where them respect, them don't have to fling a single thump. I'm just being honest, bro. There's a difference between being a man a yard and a man in a yard. Men have to work. This Jamaican man a brag say, right? They might meet a girl and, you know, them can just stay home now because the girl I get it. Come on, dog. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. That's a feminine trait right there. Of course, men love gifts too. Men love when women buy. Ladies, I hear that men actually love gifts too. In case you never know, right? But man sit down and I talk about you meet a girl now and she has send me this so I feel. But I see man I laugh at other man. You have to work, me not for work because my catty make sure she pay for it. Come on, bro. That go wear off. And when it wear off and you get in any feelings and start wanting to Jackie Chan on the woman, you will end up and make a video about it. Difference between being man a yard and man in the yard. Masculine men understand that there are responsibilities and duties that are required of them. You want to be the leader, you must demonstrate leadership. You want your woman and your pick them, right? Fit. So alright, that daddy say, that we work with. You have to prove yourself. A man should always be trying to improve. A masculine man should be miserable when he can't better himself. When a masculine man is stuck in a one place and he can't better himself, he should be miserable. Right. Have a good bridging. Every time me and him talk, he's miserable because he can't get to do what he wants. You know, sometimes you find yourself in some situation, right? Paperwork business. Right? Yes, alright, you want to go here so to do this, but then the paperwork will stop you. So you're miserable. You're supposed to be miserable. A man's supposed to torment it. A man with diamond and can't is supposed to torment it. Right? Well, if you're comfortable, you know the struggle, bro. Or if you're comfortable. If you're supposed to go foreign on farm work, or you're supposed to go here so go start that job here on paperwork of course, and you wait for this, you wait for your criminal record, it'll take too long, or that paperwork you stop you from go do. You're supposed to torment it in the yard, dog. Man, but that's an easy buck, that's an easy buck. 3 years now, you're easy buck. Come on, bro. Is you don't want to build a nation or not? Is you don't want to sit back and watch Mr. Chin and Mr. Singh and everybody, every indentured servant from all over the world come to Jamaica, come in a one generation, come build much wealth and own much things, and just sit back and ball all day, and we are going to build too. Right. So leave the balling and complain for females. Men build. Right. Men create, men innovate. Right. We look like say right now the roles reverse, cause now for the building I go and look like a woman I do it. Right. So don't expect those women to take you seriously. Don't expect a woman, right, who go through this and go through that, to take you seriously and to give you submission. It not gonna happen, dog. I'm just being honest. It not gonna happen. Yes, you can find a little exception here and there. There's always Yame. Every day a new Yame is born. Right? But me I tell you say yes. And eventually snap out of it. And eventually, one day they must wake up and it's like them here just open and say, what me I do with him? And the next thing you know, you know you also put on your voice them and cassette. You can't even play the CD. A cassette you still work with. Right? Because from 1980, you don't make no improvement till now. Right? I flip cassette on the next side. Anyway, as Mr. This type of content that I drop on Patreon. Link is in the description. Or just Google patreon.com Politics Watch if you're so inclined and interested. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad. Stay circling. Bless.